The best way to protect inheritance is to start planning earlier rather than later. There's basically 4 stages to planning, and one is to get your estate planning documents in order. Typically that'll include a will, so you can say who's in charge, what goes where, and how you want that transferred, whether outright or into a trust, your general durable power of attorney, and your healthcare power of attorney. Your will is going to help you out if you just die. Then we know where things are going to go. If you don't just die though, you've got these other 2 stages that you may go through. One would be to go ahead and preserve your assets, and then the other one is to have your long-term care. If you're going to have long-term care, there's 3 or 4 different ways to pay for it. One is VA, one is private pay, one is your long-term care policy, and one is Medicaid. This is really important because Medicaid allows you to have certain assets but not other assets, which requires the pre-planning right here. If you're going to be removing assets from your estate during your lifetime in order to protect those inheritances, you're going to be subject to a 5-year look-back window. So there's a lot of calculations to make sure that if we give this away, can we retain enough to stay safe during that 5 years? Are we going to give it to the kids? Are we going to put it in trust? Or maybe we're actually going to create a will or something like this where after we pass away, it comes over here and we go ahead and put those assets into a trust later on. But this requires a lot of forethought and planning. A lot of times I'll have my clients come and see me right here. There's a crisis and they need long-term care right now. And we're trying to figure out where they're going to get it, how they're going to pay for it. It's a lot to go through. You're not feeling good, you're not sleeping, you're not eating, and we still have to do documents. We have to see what we can gift, if anything, and retain to stay safe before we can even get to this. So really, I think if there's going to be a long-term care issue in your future and you're sort of aware of that, I would just start with step 1, move through step 2, so when you get to step 3, you're ready for it.